Hello and welcome back to my channel, Willett's World. Today I'm just going to show you a little video of this canal here which is behind me. This is called the Mae Kha Canal, and recently this year 2022 it's been really cleaned up, spruced up by the local authorities, and now it's proven to be a real big tourist attraction. I think on Google Maps it's got something like over 500 reviews. I've just looked this morning, so it's become very popular with Instagrammers and TikTokers and those sort of social platforms because it is very, very pretty. They removed some more sort of the illegal buildings that were placed here, and quite a few of the buildings are still quite run down, but they've really made the paths very nice, and they planted some flowers, they cleaned up the water. I remember this canal being very dirty, very polluted, but they've done a very, very good job. So let's take a look and have a wander around and a wander down the canal. So there's an information board here which tells you all about the canal. See down here, just I think that guy there in the brown shirt is the mayor or the deputy mayor. Yeah, and that party of dignitaries, I just got talking to one of the ladies. That guy in the brown jacket and the cap is the governor of Chiang Mai. So he's come down here for another visit, but he's not in his uniform. But we'll take a look around, we'll take a walk down. It's not actually that busy today down here. But this canal actually starts to the north of the city, and it once formed part of the defences for what was called the Southern Defence Wall, which you can see a video of in the top right hand corner, and the wall itself would have been on the other side. I'll just point over there. There's a road that goes down the back of these buildings called Kampang Din, which basically means earthen wall, and that formed the outer defences of the city. It was quite a tall, I think it was something like maybe a 7-8 metre high earthen wall that was built around the 15th to 16th centuries. So who knows how old this canal is? Maybe it was built at the same time to give extra protection to the wall, to the defences. Who knows? It's actually quite quiet down here. But this is my first time down here during the day. I came down here at night about a month or so ago, which I'll show you some footage of now. And it was very, very pretty down here at night. It's because it's all lit up. All the sides of the pavement are all lit up. You can see here now they've got their Christmas decorations up, New Year. And there's quite a few places to eat and drink coffee here. And also at night you can get beer and other various alcoholic options along these bars here. So this section has also been tidied up past the yellow footbridge. Looks like you can actually walk quite far down. There's people right down the bottom there. You see it's good income for the locals here. They sell their various products down here and drinks, food. Hi, have a cup. You can sit up there in a Marder view. So we're just coming to the end of where they've redeveloped the canal, and just down here is like a canal junction. So they've also developed and cleaned up this junction here. We've got the main Mae Kha Canal, which we've just been walking down, and then we've got another canal here, and then we've got this canal here, which actually forms the main canal that used to follow the main southern defence wall, and then they all flow, as you can see, quite quickly. Quite a current on this canal, it's more like a river. They all flow here, and eventually this canal flows out to the south of the city. And it's nice to walk down here and just see the local community, the way they live, go about their day-to-day lives, like this guy is. A flat tire. Anyway, that's where I'm going to leave off this video for now. Hope you liked it. If you did, then give me a big thumbs up down below, and why not subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.